What's features highlight? About under-desk treadmill, TODO 2-in-1 walking pad, portable walking jogging running machine. Find or read reviews that people are talking of under-desk treadmill, TODO 2-in-1 walking pad, portable walking jogging running machine. Get honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Next, we are introduce some key features why you should choose that. Assembly Walking Treadmill TODO Under Desk Treadmill is 2022 improved walking pad arrives fully assembled and can be used directly after unboxing. Place it anywhere you like and get your fitness start while dealing with business, watching shows, or reading magazines. To move and store depend on space-save design. The thickness of flat slim treadmill is only 49.2 x 19.3 x 4.9 inch, could be vertically for laid under your working desk, bed or sofa easily with the built-in wheels. Display and remote control. Press the button to start/stop, increase/decrease, and the display will switch speed, time, distance, and calorie automatically. You can also press the manual button to set a perfect time or distance countdown for yourself. Absorption and ultra-quiet motor design with shock absorption system, silica gel column support, advanced motor, and a 5-layer widened tread belt, 15.3 x 41 inch, making running or walking on TODO walk station more freely. Easily support up to 242 pounds with a durable steel frame. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.